Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Unity College, and today we are here to discuss what law is. But first of all, I would like to request all of you to please like the video, share the video to all the friends and the family, and obviously to the legal fraternity that is out there who is always searching for the concepts of law that is not very easily available on YouTube for us, as we all have gone through that phase that we do not easily find the videos. So here we are to connect you to the legal fraternity and give more information about the concept of law. So the first concept that we are going to talk about is the concept of law, basically related to the Hindu law. If we trace back to the elements of Hindu law or the marriage concept, it is coming from the pre-Vedic era. There was the concept of ashram dharma. And the Grihastha ashram is something that is imbibed in our society, so deeply rooted in our society that everybody in today's world know what Grihastha ashram is. But for your information, I would like to get it more elaborated for you. अगर हम गृहस्थ आश्रम की बात करते हैं तो it is a way of life. A person is supposed to follow the obligations and the duties attached to the way of life, that how the person is duty bound to the ceremonial practices, the relations that is there in our society, because this society is always talking about the relationship that we follow and till the day we die. So basically the concept of marriage is talking sacrament. That is the sanskar that is followed by our society and the people of our society. But in today's world, it is not purely the concept of sacrament, but also a contract. So we have to discuss the relationship between marriage as a sacrament and as a contract, because it is a balanced out situation that is coming in front of us in today's world. So first of all, we will talk about the concept of marriage as a sacrament, the earlier Vedic era period. So if we talk about the concept of marriage as sacrament, it was basically something that is indissoluble, something which is inseparable. The relationship is so pure, the emotions are so pure that once you are tied in that particular relationship, it is unimaginable for the society and for the couple, the spouses, that they will be ever getting separated from each other. The concept of separation, the concept of divorce was never in our society. It was not recognized. The concept of maintenance was never in the society. So these changes, because as the society is dynamic, so is the law. So as we evolve from the earlier era, we are here discussing the concept of sacrament and a contract, the concept of marriage that is there. So as we know about the concept of marriage as a sacrament, there are 4 types of marriages that were prevalent in our society. That is the polygamy, polyandry, monogamy and bigamy. पहले के समय में हमारे पास ये 3 तरह के विवाह होते थे, जिसको हम कहते थे पॉलीएंड्री या पॉलीगैमी, जिसमें हम लोग ट्रेस बैक अगर करें तो रामायण और महाभारत के टाइम पर हम लेकर जा सकते हैं इस कंसेप्ट को. जैसे कि महाभारत में हमारे पास एक कंसेप्ट था पॉलीएंड्री का, दैट इज द सिंगल वाइफ हैविंग द मल्टीपल हस्बैंड्स. And in case of Ramayana, we are following the monogamy concept. So these are the certain types of marriages that is there in our society. But as the time evolves, we need to have a change in these rules and the regulations. And because the dominancy was so much there of men over the female fraternity, or the gender biasness was there, therefore we came out with the concept of Hindu Marriage Act in the year 1955, which is talking about various concepts like polygamy, bigamy, also the registration of marriage, the conditions of marriage. So all this we will be discussing in the next video. But before that, you will have to like to the channel and subscribe to the channel, share the video to your friends and family, so that we can give more content to you related to this very important concept, which is always not very familiar to the people in our society. The layman person is not knowing what law is. So take this video to those people who do not know what law is at the ground level. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel.